दिल्लीच्या सरकारान ह्या दिसांनी खुबशें सांगलां की दे आर गोईंग ऑल आउट टू हेल्प द फार्मर्स. दिल्ली सरकार, द डबल इंजिन मोदी सरकार had made big promises that by 2022 the income of farmers will be doubled. All bakwas 40. कित्याक आयज जो आमकां न्यूज मेवला, आमचे जे फार्मर आसा, over 5,000 farmers have not been paid subsidy for the last 2 crops. Now we know what is the conspiracy, what are the real intentions of the government. The government आमी पळयला last 2-3 assembly sessionan are bringing up some amendments to the laws which are there, TCP laws, in which they are helping these rich people who are coming with black money to convert agricultural land, to convert orchard into settlements and commercial. Now, by not paying subsidy to the farmers, they are strangulating the farmers. म्हणजे फार्मर्सांक रिणान बुडयतले, they will be in debt, they will not be able to cultivate another crop, they will have to give up their land. कोणे रीण काढला, लोन काढला बँकाचो, they will have to give up, they will be forced to sell this land to these rich people who are coming. And that is how Goa government, this double engine Sarkar, will succeed in snatching away the agricultural land with the Goans and give it to this real estate lobby. This is the big conspiracy.